Hi, I'm Sophia and this is how you increase a double crochet. So we're going to start by chaining 3 for our turning chain. Normally on a double crochet row you would skip the first stitch because the turning chain is considered the first stitch, but since we want to increase, we're going to add a stitch right there in the first stitch, and that's going to be our first increase. Then at the end of the row we're going to put 2 double crochet into the top of the previous turning chain, and that's where it gets a little bit more complicated with the double crochet, because I don't think anybody likes working into turning chains. And that is how you increase the double crochet at the beginning and at the end of a row. I'm going to do it for one more row, but while you're watching that, just to give you a little bit of basics on increasing any crochet stitch, you really just add a stitch. You can add it in the middle, you can add it in the front, you can add it at the end. It is totally up to you. And if you didn't know this already, you can also decide whether you want to chain 2 or chain 3 for your turning chain. I usually chain 2 because I think it makes for straighter edges, but when I'm increasing or decreasing double crochet stitches, I like to chain 3 because it makes for smoother transitions. I have another video on that with the double crochet if you want to check it out, but that's the gist of it. Happy hooking!